Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful rose flower. We are going to use two different color of crepe paper here. You can also make it using tissue paper. First, we are folding this white crepe paper. So hold it from one portion and start twisting it like we are doing here. If you don't have crepe paper, you can also make this shape using tissue paper. Now we are going to take this pink crepe paper. You can also color the white tissue paper pink like this. After this, we are going to start twisting it similar way from one corner and twist it like this. You will get a shape like this of fingers like we are doing here, and look, it's done. After this, we are going to roll it. First, we are rolling this pink crepe paper. So roll it like this from one end. Here we are making a beautiful rose flower like this, and look, it's done. After this, we are going to roll the white crepe paper around it. So hold it like this and start rolling it around the flower like this. Here we are making two different color flower. So yeah, it's done. After this, hold it like we're doing here and take a rubber band, or you can also take a thread and tie it at the base of it like this. Now open the petals and look, your beautiful rose flower is ready. You can make more such rose flowers. You can use them as decor piece. So remove all the rose flowers. Here we are going to make a beautiful bouquet out of them. For that we are making rose sticks. So put these hot glue gun inside. Now put bamboo sticks inside the rose flower like we are doing here. You can also use glue like this. Now we are going to tie all the rose flower together like we are doing here using a cellotape. So tie them together by holding it and use cellotape one after another like this. Now we are going to fold all the flowers together and combine all of them and paste them together using a sellotape like this. And look, the flower is ready. Now we are going to cut the extra parts from the bottom like this. Now take a paper and net paper. We are making a beautiful bouquet here. We are going to wrap all the bouquet like this. We are using different papers here. First net paper and then these craft paper, and we are going to cover it like this one after another. We are using light and pastel colors here, and then finally we are going to tie a bow. And look at this beautiful bouquet. You can gift it to your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this video.